Goodbye. Tingling hands and weak legs. 8. Collagen-rich vegetables you must eat. Senior health tips. Have you been waking up with tingling hands, stiff knees, or legs that feel weaker than they used to be? Most people think this is just old age. But what if I told you your body is simply running low on collagen, and you can fix it naturally, without pills or expensive supplements? As we age, our body produces less and less collagen, the protein that keeps our joints flexible, nerves healthy, skin firm, and feet muscles strong. By the time you turn 60, your collagen levels may have dropped by over 50%. That's why many seniors experience numbness or tingling in hands and feet, weak knees or cracking joints, slow wound healing or sagging skin, chanty stiffness when getting out of bed. Most people think collagen only comes from powders or bone broth, but very few know that several common vegetables can boost natural collagen production better than supplements without side effects. In today's video, I'll show you 8 powerful collagen-boosting vegetables that can help strengthen your joints and bones, improve nerve health, reducing tingling and numbness, tighten saggy skin, and boost energy. And the best part? These vegetables are affordable, easy to find, and you can add them to your meals today. Collagen-rich vegetable. Number 1. Spinach, the green joint protector. Spinach is packed with vitamin C and zinc, two major nutrients your body needs to build collagen. Vitamin C tells your body, hey, start making collagen, while zinc helps repair tissues and strengthen nerves. Add it to omelets, soups, or blend it into smoothies. But wait until you hear about the next one. It is known as Nature, Botox, collagen-rich vegetable. Number 2. Red bell peppers, nature's skin tightener. Red bell peppers have 3 times more vitamin C than oranges. This helps your body rebuild damaged joints, reduce inflammation, and tighten loose skin. Plus, they contain capsaicin, which helps increase blood flow, perfect for improving cold or tingling hands and feet. Slice them raw with hummus, or roast them with olive oil. Ready for something even more powerful? Collagen-rich vegetable. 3. Tomatoes, your internal sunscreen. Tomatoes contain lycopene, which protects your skin and nerves from damage, like a shield against aging. They also boost circulation, which is key for numbness and nerve pain. Enjoy them cooked. Cooked tomatoes release even more lycopene. But stick around. Vegetable number 5 works like natural knee lubricant. Collagen-rich vegetable number 4. Kale, the mineral powerhouse. Kale is rich in sulfur, a key mineral required to connect collagen fibers together, making your tendons and joints stronger. It also contains vitamin K, which helps prevent bone loss and fractures. Steam it lightly or mix it into salads. But don't skip the next one. It makes teeth. It's the secret ingredient most seniors ignore. Collagen-rich vegetable. Number 5. Sweet potatoes, the nerve repairer. Sweet potatoes are packed with beta-carotene and vitamin A, which stimulate your body to create more collagen naturally. They also calm inflamed nerves, which helps reduce that pins and needles feeling in hands and legs. Eat them baked, mashed, or roasted with cinnamon. Coming up, vegetable number 7 is better than store-bought collagen powder. Collagen-rich vegetable number 6, garlic, the collagen activator. Yes, garlic. It contains taurine and lipoic acid, two compounds that help repair damaged collagen fibers in your skin, joints, and muscles. It also improves blood flow, which is critical for healing weak legs and cold hands. Add fresh garlic to soups, stir-fries, or mix with honey for an immune-boosting paste. But wait, vegetable number 8 is a secret most doctors don't even talk about. Collagen-rich vegetable number 7, carrots, the anti-aging root. Carrots help prevent collagen breakdown, which means fewer wrinkles, stronger bones, and smoother joints. Want glowing skin and better mobility? Carrots should be on your plate daily. Enjoy them raw or steamed, but avoid overcooking or you lose the nutrients. Collagen-rich vegetable. Number 8, cabbage, the overlooked superfood. Cabbage contains collagen-boosting vitamins A, C, and K, plus sulfur, which acts like glue for your bones and cartilage. It also reduces oxidative stress, which helps your nerves function properly. Goodbye tingling and numbness. Make coleslaw, stir-fry it, or add it to soups. Let's quickly go over the 8 collagen-rich vegetables that help strengthen your joints, repair nerves, and restore mobility. 1. Spinach, for vitamin C and zinc. 2. Red bell peppers, for collagen and circulation. 3. Tomatoes, for lycopene and nerve protection. 4. Kale, for sulfur and bone strength. 5. Sweet potatoes, for nerve repair. 6. Garlic, for collagen activation. 7. Carrots, for collagen protection. 8. Cabbage, for all-in-one joint and nerve support. Add at least 1 or 2 of these daily, and within weeks you may feel less stiffness in the morning, better grip strength, improved balance and mobility. Remember, aging is natural, but suffering is optional. Your body can heal itself when you give it the right fuel. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's health secret. And tell me in the comments, which of these vegetables will you start eating today?